a zip wire. She never learns. Oh, it's a fast one. Gonna... Wow! It's only because we've been in the pub. Oh, she's gonna go for it again. Yep. Here she comes. How old are you? 10?
You've been on it.
I have been on it. We've been in the bloody pub and all. Anyway, time for tea. We'll catch you later. Okay, we are literally in the middle of nowhere. Obviously fully prepared.
What, no water?
And this is just a teeny track through this forest. Teeny track. But we've come across this area. And this is Thunderbolt's Cave, the famous bush ranger. And yeah, it's really rugged ground. So we have stamped around a bit, no snake, because obviously we're not snake prepared today. But look at this place. You know, these bush rangers, they must have been incredible to try. You know, you'd find a place, a bit of a cave where you could sleep. You actually can stand up in here. And let's have a look inside. No snakes, can't see any. Make a bang your feet. A bit dark in here, and you can actually, can smell. They've had fire in here. There's a little.
Has Thunderbolt been in, right?
Thunderbolt's been in, so you can light a fire in here. The smoke's gonna go out, and you can stand up. I can nearly stand up.
Somebody's been camping in here.
So you could actually,
Yeah.
you could actually spend the night here. Yeah. So just don't. There's big cobwebs just by your head there. Do you just come away? Some of the spiders. There's a. I don't know if this is going to show, but there's some pretty big spiders around.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, there we go. Thunderbolt's Cave. A long way off the road. Obviously, don't come in thongs, or what we call in the UK flip-flops, because it's not conducive. But yeah, we found it and we're here and we've done it. So back out. Just keep your head low, Jew, coming out of them spiders' webs and that. Yeah. And we're back out. And there we are. The only thing is now we've got to find our way back. Bit rugged ground, but not too bad. There you go, folks. Thunderbolt's Cave. Hard one to find, but no worries, we did it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See you later, folks. Goira?
Yep.
Just spell it, Jew.
G-U-Y-R-A.
And just come across this little museum. So we've got a 650, and it looks like a 500 single, I'm not sure. 500 single, I think. Renault, I think it's a generator, and I think you could have had double spark plugs for like if it was on a fire pump or something. I'm not sure. Some lovely cars in here. So look at the size of these things. It's a Chevrolet. Don't know what model, but it says something there. Master 6-speed, 6-cylinder 3-speed. And look at this, a Mark 1 Escort, 4-door, unfortunately. Obviously they just last a lifetime out here. You know, no rust anywhere. Lovely condition. Standard Vanguard. It's a station wagon, they call them out here, or we know it as an estate car. Then we've got a Charles de Gaulle Special, and that is in lovely condition. Lovely paintwork. It's like a deep metallic maroon. And I'm not really sure about this one, a Morris, but I don't think it's anything to do with Morris in the UK, a Morris Major. So I'm not really sure, it may be. Certainly nothing we've ever seen in the UK market. Strange looking thing. And a couple of interesting vehicles over here. We got a Zephyr 6 in lovely condition, absolutely beautiful. And this thing just blew me away. I mean, not that I know anything about American cars at all, but it's a 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. So it's got an 8.2 litre engine and it's front wheel drive. How they get that massive lump to go that way and then that way, I don't know. You can't see it, it's a bit dark in here, but what a lump. That is one big engine. Then we've got a nice lovely Mustang, and Judy's old favourite MGB GT. Not exactly British racing green, but it's very close. It's a chrome bumper one as well, so it's an early version. Wolsey 2480 UK Wolsey 6 model vehicle, and we've got one of the last minis. So it says a Mini S Clubman. I'm not really sure what a Mini S Clubman is. It certainly wasn't an S Clubman in the UK. It would have just been like a 1275 GT. But it looks to be original enough. Although I'm not sure. We've got external hinges, but wind down windows. So it's an unusual arrangement. But yeah, it's all there. Yeah, what a beautiful place in the middle of nowhere. Beautiful, loads of interesting stuff. And really glad we pulled up. Judy's looking a bit bored, so we better keep moving.
The Railway Museum.
Oh, we've got to do the Railway Museum, yeah. So, little Datsun rally car here. Very well prepared, lovely little thing. Beautiful. Lovely Chevrolet truck. So, yeah, it's not a Nissan, it's earlier than that, it's a Datsun. But there we go. Lovely. Anyway, we'll catch you guys at the next stop. So we'll see you later.